So I've been looking for cattle and I haven't found any yet. So I decided to play for a moment here before we travel on up the random forest access road. Listen to that bird. I'm going to end there. I'll be back. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Just a little bit later, I found sheep. A lot of sheep. So, I'm going to put my keys here, cross the road. Let's see what happens. Maybe I'll actually make this a little closer, even though you won't be able to see all of them. They are so cute. Okay, here goes nothing. think they're scared of it. Okay, I'm gonna stop there. Okay, I'm still where the sheep are. They are completely uninterested in the harp. So, because they have a bell or a few bells somewhere, I'm thinking that they will like the sound of this. We'll see. These sheep have one thing in mind, and that is the grass that they are eating. That's it. Good to check though, huh? Okay, next stop, up the road. Ladies and gentlemen, I just drove for 5 minutes up the road past 2 wild muskrats that must have weighed at least 30 pounds each. Really reddish, and I think they're muskrats. And then about 10 to 15 mud-covered Jeeps passed, going the other way all together. Tough guys. And then here I am with my little harp. I found the coolest thing though, a field of wild turkeys. So if I haven't scared them away already, let's see what happens. There they are. Wild turkeys. Where can I play? Let's see. They're already starting to walk away from me. I've heard that wild turkeys can be really mean sometimes and attack. Oh, that's perfect. So, hopefully you can see them. I think you might not be able to see them anymore. They're really hiding now. Let's go up a little farther. They're getting right in line with the gate. They're either gonna jump the gate or go the other way. I'm not sure. Let's see. Ooh. There they are. Whoa, we get another special thing happen. There they are, walking down the road. Oh. This is private, so I'll have to stop here. I don't think they'll be coming back. But stay. At least you got to hear the overtones that I heard when I picked this up. Okay, we'll just play for a moment because we're here. Okay, I made it all the way up pretty much to the top of the road. I'm sure this road goes on a while longer, but National Forest. And I saw a mountain lion, beware of mountain lions sign. But the only scary animals I've seen are pretty much every single truck at the trail parking lot. Anyone I saw was like a grizzly, scary, like mass murderer looking mountain man. So I'm gonna keep myself safe and stay in my own little remote spots, but I want you to see this beautiful ridge up there. If there are mountain lions, I'm sure that's where they are living. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous! So, instead of the sign, let's have some sort of view. Sure, it's prettier over here. Well, there's just a lot of trees. Actually, that was kind of cool. Let's do that. If I can. Okay, I'm not really quite the cameraman, but that's okay. Let's do a little harp. I don't think we're gonna end up with the animal whispering that I had hoped for. Because the wild turkeys ran away. The sheep didn't care. I think that, and the, what else was there? Oh, that was it. Okay. The little engine that could. There she goes. she goes. So glad to see another girl. A tough one. This harp is alive today. I'm apologizing because Oh, butterfly. I'm about to say a poem. I'm sorry. Poetry by Pablo Neruda. Poetry. And it was at that age that poetry arrived in search of me. I don't know where it came from. From winter or river. I don't know how or when. No, they're not voices. They're not words. Nor silence. But from a street I was summoned. From the branches of night. Abruptly from the others. Among violent fires. A returning alone, there I was, without a face. But it touched me. I did not know what to say. My eyes were blind. But something started in my soul. Fever of forgotten wings. And I made my own way, deciphering that fire. And I wrote the first faint line. Faint, without substance. Pure nonsense. Pure wisdom. Of someone who knows nothing. And suddenly I saw the heavens unfasten, and open planets, palpitating plantations, shadows perforated, riddled with arrows, fire, and flowers. The winding night, the universe. And I, infinitesimal being, drunk with the great starry void, likeness, image of mystery, I felt myself a pure part of the abyss. I reeled with the stars. My heart broke loose on the wind. 11:11, look at that.